got my transmission filter kits come, so I'm going to stick that in, and then I just need to put fluid in it, and I can actually take it for a drive properly, and then hopefully this sorts the leak. Alright, I'll just let that leak out of there into my storage container with the bottom cut off with wheels, so it just rolls out easy. And you got 3 bolts to take out now, and then I'll show you the old filter. Alright, it's the bottom of the trans. There's a bit of metal shit around. A bit closer. There's a number. And the filter, not much of the filter. I was missing a bit in there. This is all just coming out there. So, free flow. There's the back of it. There's a bit of metal shit. But there's no magnet in the bottom of the pan either. And there's this layer of shit in there. Nice gummy sludge. Lumpy. Yeah. I'll clean all that out. I'll find a magnet and throw that in there. And then yeah, put the filter in. Oh, look at that. It's like dry on there. Oh well. Use it as it is. We'll get a rebuild one day when it gets LS1 in there. Or LS3 be better. Throw that in. That should bolt up to this trans. Yeah. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. Pan's nice and clean now. Someone's been in there before. There's a weld in the corner. So I got the gasket there for it. I'll just glue it into place a little bit. Just put a few little dots around it just to hold it while I stick it underneath. I've got the new filter on up there. So that's all in. Stick this on. And then I can fill it up with some fluid, or put that other stuff in it. I'll just run it through a filter. It's pretty clean. And then I've got to go buy some fluid. I should probably do tomorrow. Been a bit busy doing other stuff. Actually got to paint my house, but it's been raining for like 4 or 5 days. And it's the first day it's kind of cleared up, but it's still drizzling on and off. So yeah. Get rid of that shitty cream and brown. So I just put a dot on each side where each bolt goes. Holds it in tight so it doesn't move around, and get in the right spot once. So there we go. All flat. Now I just gotta slide it in and up there. That's what she said. Alright, the pan's in there. Now it's gonna put fluid in it. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Pour it in, and then I can go for a drive and stuff. Here's the fluid. Let's have a look. It's the fluid that came out of it. So there's a bit of stuff in there, but I'll just strain that, and then it should be alright. There's a bit of crap in this end. Yeah, there's a bit of shit in there. I might just buy more fluid and be done with it. I'll run it through something first and we'll see how clean it gets, but I'll probably just throw it away. Oh, there's the shit that was left in there. It was in the rag. Not very good. And there's another shit in the bottom of the tray. So that was clean. So I can see a few specks that say copper. Something looks kind of copper. A couple of flakes here and there. But yeah, it is what it is.